So I've dealt with what is the impact of the implementation of the national minimum wage and the amendments to the labour legislation, but our focus specifically was on the dispute referral trends since the implementation of the National Minimum Wage Act and the amendments to the Basic Conditions of Employment Act. So what I've done is basically reported on the number of referrals, dispute referrals we've received in terms of the National Minimum Wage Act and also in terms of disputes that are provided for in the amended Basic Conditions of Employment Act. Well, the stats don't intend to talk about or reflect problematic. What the stats shows is the number of applicants or employees or workers that have referred disputes to the CCMA since the inception of the new legislation. So when we've looked at the statistics, the number of disputes referred, the highest number, was ranging between Gauteng naturally, which is made up of Johannesburg for the purposes of the CCMA office, the Johannesburg Regional Office, Ekurhuleni, then the satellite, what we call a smaller office in Vereniging Ovaal, and then also our Tshwane office. So that combined gave us the highest number of dispute referrals to date, followed by KwaZulu-Natal, being spread between Durban, Port Shepstone, Richards Bay, Newcastle, Pietermaritzburg, and then the next one would be the Western Cape region, which is made up of Cape Town and the Southern Cape area, which is your George and Oudtshoorn areas. The current impact measured as at 1 March shows that the the total number of our dispute referrals has increased by 8%. So comparative to last year, for the 2018 period, at the same period from 1 January to 1 March 2019, we've seen an 8% increase, which means that the number of new legislative referrals constitutes 8% of our total case roll.